I'm Grant Bailey from CropSmart and I'm joined today by Steve Inglis from GPA Accounting in Berri. Welcome, Steve.
Alright, it's great to be here.
Great to have you. I've asked Steve here today to talk about the top 3 things growers should ask their accountants before June 30 and also help growers understand the recent government changes that may allow a tax deduction that growers couldn't access last year and how CropSmart may be able to assist. Before we get started, I would like to mention that information contained in this video is general in nature and does not constitute legal advice. Please contact either Steve at GPA Accounting or your personal accountant for further advice regarding your own situation. Now Steve, obviously a very busy time of the year for you, coming up to June 30.
Definitely.
What are the top 3 things growers should be asking their accountant before June 30?
The first thing I'd be asking is, do I need to be putting money into farm management deposits before June 30? Or is there an opportunity to even withdraw money out of farm management deposits before June 30, depending on your financial situation? The second one is, should I be purchasing a business capital item costing less than $20,000 before 30th of June? The capital item can either be second-hand or brand new. If the item, for small business taxpayers, if the item is less than the $20,000, then they're eligible for 100% immediate write-off. The third one I'll be asking is, consider purchasing chemical, fertiliser, fencing material, carrying out repairs, buying truck or tractor tyres, or even filling up your diesel tanks before 30th of June. For example, customers who use accrual accounting could come into CropSmart and purchase chemical before 30th of June and book that down, so they can still claim a tax deduction for that item even though they may pay for it after 30th of June. So it's just a matter of, I'm sure the growers can come in and talk to CropSmart or other relevant businesses just to negotiate the payment terms.
Cool, great advice there, Steve.
No worries.
Now, farmers have been telling us for quite some time that they would like to prepay an amount of money up front before June 30 to prepay their chemical bill. Now, recently CropSmart introduced smart repayments that allows growers to prepay funds into their account before June 30 and earn a reward rate of 4.25% until they collect their goods. Now, the reward rate is a higher interest rate than most of the large banks offer at the moment, which is terrific. But how else can the smart repayments benefit growers?
New legislation is introduced in the recent budget that has allowed small businesses with a turnover under $10 million to receive a tax deduction for goods that are prepaid before 30th of June. Previously, that threshold was $2 million, which excluded many growers from accessing those tax deductions. By making prepayments, it's a secure and rewarding way of prepaying next season's chemical requirements without the hassle of knowing exactly what the grower needs at that time, but at the same time, helping farmers and growers improve their tax position.
Terrific. So CropSmart can help them with their tax position.
Yep, win-win situation.
Terrific. Great stuff. For further information on smart repayments, please contact your local CropSmart representative for the full terms and conditions, or head to our website to download an application form. If you'd like to contact Steve at GPA Accounting in Berri, all his details will be in the description of the YouTube video. But thanks very much for coming in, Steve.
No worries. Thanks, Grant.
Thank you.
Thank you.